All right, here we are. We're gonna do a quick fire starting, how to start a campfire in case you never did one. And the big mistake most people make is they try to just put in big chunks of wood and try to light them on fire, which is just nonsense, right? That's not gonna happen. And so the key is your duff. And I'm a little OCD here, but as you can see, I have my super dry grass. You can use leaves, moss, anything. And then you want something. Here I found some flowers that had dried out, then some old desert twigs, then some branches off of a cottonwood, and then our actual wood. So Joshua, why don't you start with the grass?
Alrighty.
Grab the whole thing.
Hold it.
Okay, and you're gonna kneel down, come over where I am,
Alrighty.
and you're gonna, we are gonna use the trusty old Bic lighter here, but you're gonna light it up, hold this in one hand, and you're actually gonna light that while you're holding it.
Okay, so
But kneel down to the fire, get low to the ground.
wait, how do you do it?
Okay, here, hold it. And I'm gonna let you do it. So, basically you're gonna get down, low to the ground. You don't want the stuff blowing all over. And you're gonna light this on fire.
Okay.
And once it gets going, you're gonna gently set it down, and then you will take your next bunch, and you don't just crunch it all on, but you will you'll break this and then lay it on to catch the flames, all right?
Okay.
And then once that catches, you go each pile, all right? Here we go.
Oh wait, wrong way. Wait. So right side?
Doesn't matter. Oh, you not know how to use a lighter?
Well, no, I've never used a lighter before.
Good man. Let's show him how to.
Alright. This, just get it like that.
And you have to hold it down. That keeps
Hold
the
this
gas
for-
coming.
Okay, so I have to.
So when you're flicking it down, that's making the spark.
Okay.
And you
Just try
hold
to-
that nozzle, and that keeps the gas flowing.
To hold it close to it.
The red.
There you go. You have it. Okay, you got it started.
Okay.
Where's the lighter?
Now,
Where's the lighter?
It's in there.
get it out. Yeah. Okay. Now, you gotta hurry. You get that next batch.
Yeah.
Break it in half. And lay that. Don't throw it. Lay it on.
Oh.
Don't throw it on, or you'll put it out. Okay. Now you go to your next stack.